We will now create a new design project. Here, we enter all the relevant information about the project. Let's start a new design project. Click Project Control on the iMold Command Manager toolbar. Select New Project. From the menu, the Project Control window is displayed. Let's enter the project name, Case Mold. Click Add Parts. Locate the part named CaseDerive.SLDPRT and click Open. iMold automatically creates the assembly structure. Enter the relevant project information such as project prefix for easy identification. Under Options, enter the prefix, 1000. The prefix is used to uniquely identify the part files for the project. You can enter any combination of letters and numbers. The prefix is added before the core, cavity and impression names. Choose and set the project unit to millimeter. The project unit is used to control the units for the entire mold. Based on the specified material, we can set the shrinkage based on the scale factor of the materials that will account for the shrinkage of the material after cooling. Select the impression assembly in the tree. Select the resin, PC for polycarbonate. The part model is scaled by the value specified in factor. Click OK to create the project. A new SolidWorks assembly document hierarchy is created with the project name. A subassembly prepared with the name of the impression and containing the part, a core part, and a cavity part is added under it. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the project control by closing the project. Click Project Control on the iMold toolbar. And from the menu, select Close Project. When prompted to save all the files in the project, select Yes. All the open files in the iMold project will be saved and closed. And, to reopen the project, go to Project Manager, click Open and select the project to open.